Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete Google search history on iPhone. So first of all, launch Google application on your iPhone. Now, once you come here, you can see various recent searches of yours. If you tap on a recent keyword and swipe it towards the left-hand side, you can see a bin icon. If you tap on it, you will be able to delete that particular search history on your iPhone. Now, another step that you can do is tap on Manage History. Then, once you come here, you can see various search history of your Google account. Now, if you tap on Delete and choose any time frame according to your preference, for instance, I'm going to tap on Delete All Time and then select all these options if you wish to. So, I'm going to tap on Next at the bottom and then let's tap on Delete again. And now tap on Got It. Now you can see that your entire search history on Google has been deleted. So this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos.